Good morning, children. Today we are here to celebrate theme of the month. So our theme of the month is vegetables. So we are going to make a craft on this vegetables topic. So do you know, children, what we are going to make? Yes, we are going to make a pencil cap. So let us see what all materials are needed for making this pencil cap. So we are making a pumpkin pencil cap and a tomato pencil cap. So let's see the materials needed for that. First you need a red color sheet, then yellow color sheet, then you need two green color sheets like this. Then you have to roll the sticks and make it a stick shape like this. Roll the paper and make it a stick shape. Okay, children? And you need two pencils and Fevicol. So let's start making it. So first I am going to take the yellow sheet and I am going to fold it like this. And we are going to draw half circle like this here. And you have to cut it like this. Children, you can take the help of your parents for cutting, and we are going to cut it like this in the same shape. So children, you will get a shape like this. Okay. So like this you have to make 6 shapes. Same color, 6 shapes. Okay. And this is for making the pumpkin. For same way you can cut the red paper same way. And you can make 6 petals for tomato also. Okay children. So let's start making it. So first I am going to make pumpkin. So let us take this petals. I have already made 6 petals like this. So one by one let us start sticking it. So first I am going to take the first one like this. And I will fold it like this. And on top of this I am going to put some Fevicol. Then I will stick the next petal on the top of it. See children, like this you have to paste the next one. Like this. Same way I am going to paste all the petals. On the top of this the next one. Again the next one. Then the next one. Same way continue pasting all the 6. So press it nicely. So it will look like this. Okay children. Now let it dry for some time. Okay children. Now we can open it. Open it like this. Yes. See children. All the petals are opening like this. See? Okay. It will look like this. Okay. Now we are going to paste the stick. Okay children. Now you have to take it like this. here only one should be there, all the others should be this side, all the other petals should be like this side, only one should be here. Then I am going to stick this stick in middle of this. Okay, you have to put Fevicol on middle of this, put some on the stick also. Then we are going to put it here, and now this is ready. See children, it will look like this. See, it will look like this. Now I am going to cut the stick into small. Okay, we will cut it small. I have cut the extra piece of this stick and made it small like this. Now let it be here. Now we are going to make the next part. Next part, you can take a sheet of paper like this and cut it in a rectangle shape, and I am going to put some Fevicol in the middle of this paper like this. Okay children, now you can take a pencil and I am going to roll it like this. We'll keep the pencil like this and I am going to roll it. You have to roll it tightly like this. Press nicely and continue rolling. Okay, till the end of the paper you have to continue rolling like this. And the end part I am going to put some gum. End part will put some gum like this and I am going to stick it. Yes, you can stick it like this. See children, it will look like this. Okay. Now, this part we are going to take this and take this pumpkin. I am going to stick it here. Like this we are going to stick. We'll put some Fevicol here on the stick. Like this. We will put some Fevicol on the sticks. And we are going to stick this part on it. We'll press it. Yes. Like this. See children? Okay. Now we are going to put the pencil. See, like this we can put. Now one more thing we are going to put on the top of this one flower. Okay children? Let's put this flower on the top of this. See, it will look like this. You can press it. Then our pumpkin pencil cap is ready like this. So children, in the same way we are going to make the tomato pencil cap also. So same way we are going to stick this. Same way. Stick the petals one by one like this. Put some Fevicol and we are going to stick it together one by one. First one. Same way second one. Second one also on the top of this. So our petals are ready. Now same way we are going to stick the stick in middle of this. We will take the middle part and we are going to stick it. We will keep the stick in the middle and we are going to press it. Press it nicely. Now let it be here. Now we are going to make the pencil cap on same way we did last time. Put some Fevicol in the middle of this. And keep the pencil and start rolling. You should roll it tightly. And the end part, we are again going to put some Fevicol. Now I am going to stick it here on this stick. Let's put some gum on the stick. Now let us keep it here. Press it nicely. And let us put the flower also on the top of this. Children, our pencil cap is ready. 2 pencil caps. Like this we can keep 2 pencil caps. Here pumpkin and tomato pencil caps are ready. Hope all of you like this. You can also make this and enjoy. Thank you and have a nice day.